Hi everyone. Today we have wonderful guest, Mr. Ajay Medshetty, who is from Telangana State. Is a proud of Telangana State and who's been appointed as a software developer engineer in Amazon. So let us know about the person. Indeed, a briefing about Ajay Medshetty is about. Ajay Medshetty has been there in DV Rajan Staff Technology from 2016 to 2020, just passed out batch and obtained a great achievement in first attempt itself in Amazon. It's right semi on campus interviews, so that the recruitment process was very tough. Even the tough interview was cracked by our Ajay. Really proud of Telangana, and moreover that is a topper for entire the years. The 4 years he was the topper for the batch topper, at the same time year topper, and in third year also many times he acclaimed the things, right, the awards and right acclamations from the department and the college also. Now, Mr. Ajay Medishetty is with us with voice with Vitla. So let us know his experiences and his complete right schooling, and of course definitely toppers will have very good life. At the same time, Ajay Medishetty also has a great and very wonderful life. Let us see, but definitely some efforts and at the same time some problems also might be there. So that how he had overcome his problems and at the same time how he achieved the great things. So because joining in Amazon is not a joke, that to 13 lakhs per annum. So 13 lakhs per annum. At the beginning, you can imagine by the time within 10 years of time, where would you see Ajay? That in 10 years of time, it would be somewhere else 50 lakhs of per annum. So that is sure. Because at the beginning itself, he joined in Amazon, so that he would not live anywhere. Of course, if he wants to go for the other one is Microsoft. So that so now itself, he is really one of the best personalities and best students of the year 2016 and 20, BB Rajan Staff Technology Nassarpur. And also, he is very good right student to me as I handled his classes right in the previous years too. And very good right and character at the same time personality. So that he's right, his words will definitely make the students inspiring. I'm sure about it because the people who have the struggle and who are able to inspire, definitely that happens. So that Ajay also has that kind of qualities. The remotest place from Karimnagar district, and where Hyderabad, where BVR80, it's about 200 or 300 kilometers away from, and he came here and struggled for existence and for many things. But at last, even the luxurious students could not achieve sometimes. The person who was very simple in the campus, on campus, and simply moving on, and who right who would see that he was very simple student. But at last, the cracking the Amazon recruitment process is wonderful to us. Okay, good evening, Ajay. Welcome to our channel, Voice with
Yeah,
Bitla.
yeah.
Yeah,
Good evening, sir.
please.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, how are you? How are you, Ajay?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, fine, Ajay. And after long time to see you, really,
Yeah,
I'm very happy that one of my students achieved a great achievement. Really fantastic. I think your parents might be very happy then.
yeah, yes, sir. Yeah. I mean, they're happy. Like, uh, they felt like my hard work paid, right? So they used to see my work. So they're happy because, so like I got some good result.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
parents definitely would be happy. At the same time,
yeah,
right, your responsibility will be more now to look after your parents.
yeah,
So that definitely it's going to right be very affectionate and responsible son for right your parents. Of course, without them, would not be there, right?
yeah, yes,
Yeah. So let me start with your childhood. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Then the lead is
So
common to that. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, basically like. what happened was, yeah, this is like after got my job, like after I got placed at Amazon.
Right.
So I got one weekend. Like I got one weekend. So what I did was I was thinking about my childhood basically.
Mm.
So like, yeah, yes, my childhood was like it's good and it's normal like the other child, like not a luxurious child, like
Yes.
a normal child how he will be there. So same way I used it to be. But the thing is, yeah, let me start with the things that I remember. Like mostly we will be remembering from sixth or seventh standard.
Yes.
Yeah. So my village is like my native is in Karimnagar. Not exactly Karimnagar, a village near to Karimnagar. The name of the village is Madhapur,
Yes.
not that city Madhapur. It's
Yes.
like a village in
Yeah.
Karimnagar.
Yeah.
Yeah. So from my village, uh, up to around 10 kilometers from my village, there is one school called Sri Ramakrishna High
Okay.
School. So there I did my schooling. So like it's around from second standard to my 10th standard. I was studying there.
Yeah.
So yeah, so basically, like before we used to have board exams, right, for the seventh class also.
Yes.
Yeah, but we don't have. I actually I want to face that, but I missed the chance. Like with
Luckily,
my
luckily,
batch, it went
yeah.
off. But
No,
I want to face that.
yes.
Yeah. So, but I want to face that. We missed the chance. Actually, my batch, like whenever my batch comes, something will happen. Like in seventh class, the board exam went away, and after my 10th class, the syllabus got syllabus changed away,
Okay.
and now now the COVID came. So it's like our batch is different, typical. Like I can say, like most of the my friends also feels that.
Okay.
Yeah. So like till ninth class I guess I don't use it to study much. Like I am very study much in the sense like I am very normal and I'm not used to think much. Like I'm very normal in the sense very normal. I use it to do some funny things. I like it's like I don't know what actually a life is. I don't like at some point of life we'll be start thinking and changing, right? So I can say my ninth standard is that point. So till ninth standard, like I used to get some good, like good in the sense some a normal student and not used to think much, not used to be that excellent, and not used to be that much. But what happened after my ninth standard, I got realized that my parents used to tell that, so you study in the sense it's your life and it's in your hand. If you do better, you will be better.
Right.
That's what they used to say. But they do not made me to forcefully study the books and all. So then right, so at some point of time we will be getting some thinking level, like right. So uh, Gautam Buddha got I mean also got some gnanodaya at some
Yeah.
extreme point of life.
Just
So
important.
similarly, yeah, so similarly at some point of time we will be getting that. So from ninth standard I used to think and study that rather than uh, just as a simple student. So what I used to be doing, like, so it's like I can say it's my alphabets for my life. The ninth standard is of alphabets of for my life. So I used to think and do the things like whatever I used to do, like whatever physics, whatever chemistry I used to study. So I used to think like I used to relate the things and study, not simply mug upping the things and doing. So with that, some effort. So I got there also in my school also I'm an academic topper for 10th class. So it's like 9.8 GPA for my 10th class. It's actually uh, yeah. So then what happened? I got an opportunity to write an exam and study it other than Telangana. So what I did, I wrote an exam.
Mm.
So it's type of exam where they use it to fund us and make us study for free in intermediate. So what I did, I wrote that exam and like it's not that I cracked it, but yeah, so they liked me, so they took me. So I did my intermediate at Bangalore.
Mm.
So the college name is Alpine Public School.
Very good.
Yeah, actually it's a school. It's a school, but it also have college.
Okay,
So it's an
let's
Alpine.
go to the point. How did you go to Bangalore? Why actually people just only come to Hyderabad and you went to Bangalore? What was the reason?
Yeah, I mean, so basically what happened was I used to look at the college over here. So, but I did not like that college. Like I did not use it to feel that colleges are that effective and making us understand and study rather than mug upping and writing in the exam. So what I did was, so I just explored, and with my help of my principal at my school, who is an friend of the principal at my college, that Bangalore college. So
Okay.
they both encouraged me to come there, and like 2 years I spent it there. So the first struggle I can say that I faced in my life is that intermediate, because from my village to I directly went to the region where the people don't speak in my regional language.
Okay.
So for some days I felt little struggle, but anyway I managed and uh, got a good result too in my
Intermediate.
whatever say like my intermediate.
Yes.
So then basically I started for like I went there for getting some good stuff in the sense I just want to be uh, not just like mugging and doing the things. I just want to understand and experiment the things
Yes.
instead of simply remembering and presenting on the paper.
Yes.
So basically I went for like actually I went for to crack IIT, but I don't know, like I did my efforts but I did not
But
use to
still,
make that.
even you wanted to become IITian, you have become BVRITN also. You got a post like IITian.
Yes, yes, yeah, that's what I'm happy now.
Yes.
Yeah, so what happened was, like my after my intermediate got over, then I used, like if you will be in search of engineering, so I wrote a lot of entrance exams. Like I wrote VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology University exam. I wrote SRM University exam. I wrote BITSAT. Like I wrote Nest. Like there is one exam called NEST. Then I wrote APM set. Then I wrote TSM set. Then I wrote Karnataka M set.
Hmm?
Then I wrote IIT. Like I approximately, like I was totally in different mindset. Like
How-
what's next?
A small question. How did
Yes.
you get that awareness to write or take all these examinations?
Yeah. Basically, like we our college, like in our college there will be lot of students. Basically whoever went there, like they're little sharper in the sense they're mostly they will be studying the things. So like they used to apply, I used to apply, and I, if I get any doubt, I used to browse during the weekends. Like we have an opportunity to go over the Bangalore in my weekends. Like it's not that restricted that you need to sit in the college and study on the weekends also. Like
Okay. Okay.
they used to
Do you agree that our friend circle will make our life brighter?
yes. So basically, yeah, friend circle makes our life better if we have good friends. Like it depends on the environment that we have, right? Like um there is one good comparison about the friends. Like let's say we have a good pond with good lotuses.
Yes.
If we put some stone in that also, they will treat that stone as a lotus.
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
So yeah, so the network behind us, the network surrounding us makes us, right. So similarly, the yes, I do agree with what your statement is, that the network, like the friends that we have, is helps us in life. But the thing is the kind of friends that we have. I don't say that we can change the friends. If we, like, let's say if we have some friend who got addicted with some different stuff, like we can try to make him change. Instead of, like, we should not get, like, what I mean to say is, if you have good friends, we need to take good from them. If you have bad friends, if we need to give good from us. That's what I mean.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So what happened? Like the story is like, yeah, second year. So I wrote TSMZ. I got rank around 6,000. I can say, like, yeah, around 6,000. Yeah. So like I'm little new for opting the colleges and opting the branches. So basically, most of the students prefer computer science engineering.
Yes.
Even though my rank is 6,000, but I don't know. Like I choose an IT. I don't know. It's like there is something called fate, right? We don't know. Sometimes we will do, but it helps us. That's what I like. I accept that statement now.
Yeah.
Like I did, even though, like, I did not opt for CSE. I did not opt for, like, even though if I, like, even though my rank is 6,000, I may get some good college. Then
Yeah.
I
Why
should not
did
say
you?
that.
Yeah. Yeah. your rank is 6,000. Why did you choose BVRIT then?
Yeah, that's what I, it's like type of fate, I can say. Even though like when I entered, some superpower came on me, I guess. But I choose an that I need that to in BVRIT. I did not choose CSE, but I choose an IT.
Okay.
So, but I have an
The reason,
opportunity to slide.
for the reason, being 6,000 ranked students definitely would have got in CSC and better, okay, in better colleges also.
Yes,
But why did
yes,
it come to only BVRIT with IT branch?
yeah, yeah. First thing I we can say about BVRIT is like, so before opting in the colleges, I came to know about BVRIT from my senior, like from my 10th class senior. So
Yeah.
I just like I just had fate on him. Like I just had a fate on me. Then I came to the college one day and I looked at the environment.
Okay.
So the pleasant environment made me to choose a BVRIT. I can say first that one thing. And second thing is IT and CSE. I just browsed the difference between IT and CSE in Telangana. Like there will be, like as I'm studying in Telangana, I did small research on IT and CSE. Then I came to know that there will be two or three subjects more in CSE. There will be two or more three subjects less in IT. So I thought like, okay, I can learn if I need two or three subjects, doesn't matter. If I need, I can learn in online also.
Yes.
Then yeah, so I kept IT and CS in that way. So I got IT, and there will be something like uh, as I went to Bangalore, so I became a non-local candidate. So the reservation is also very low. So even though I keep my option CSE at the first, I did not get that. Then I got an IT, but after coming into the college, I got an option to slide.
Okay.
That if my rank is nice, but I did not take that risk. That okay, what's wrong with IT? Let's check. Like I can say it's type of adventure, like adventure that I played. So it worked out too.
Okay, very good. And I want to ask one question about actually
Yeah.
any great incident is there in your life to become the top student? Because having and right stabilizing the same status for 4 years in elite level, it is really very difficult indeed. But how do you right really manage that, complete the standard? What was any reason there or any incident was there behind it?
No, basically I can say I said right. So when people think, they don't do wrong things. So it's like there will be some, like I believe like there will be some power which makes us negative all the time.
Yeah.
But our positive should overcome that to balance that negative and don't go with that negative.
Yes.
So I guess that positive power is more on more in me. That's why.
No, no.
Like
Let me come to the point because I have been observing many students, Ajay. But thing is here, first year proper somewhat they drop in second sem or second year, third year. Some changes would be there. But in your case, you have been proper for 4 years. How it would happen?
it's like first thing, if they think, yeah, I mean I'm always getting to that point. Think is that first of all they need to think about themselves. Like if they have fear on themselves, like fear in the sense they should not live with that fear, but they should think before they are doing like they. So when they think is that if they have fear with themselves, like if they have fear with parents, like parents in the sense, okay, they are spending a lot of time to survive us in the sense like they are doing a lot of work to make us good. So if they think about that thing, and the one more thing is that they need to think about society. Like if I do this thing, whether the society uh, makes respect me or will not respect me.
Yeah.
So if they think about themselves and their environment in the sense the parents and the relatives and then the society, that
Okay.
if I do this task, so if they do this task, if the society respect them, then let us do. That's what. So the maintenance that you are saying for the academics and all, first thing is that mostly I used to listen the classes. So this made me very easy that I should not bother during the exams. So
Okay.
what happens is most of the people will not listen that good classes. So they will rely on the last day of the exam and they will be reading a lot of stuff. They may get or they may not get. So most of them they will remember and present. That I do not use it to do. So whatever, I mean, listening class, I don't say that you need to listen the classes, then only you will get the marks.
Exactly.
I I will be say I am saying like that you need to understand the concept, then you can easily present on the exam. So when teacher teaches us, right? So there will be a lot of things he will be teaching us. We may understand and we may know, we may do not use it to understand. The thing is, if we understand the thing, we'll not forget at all, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what I use it to do is I use it to understand the things. That's it.
Yes,
So
okay.
during the last exams, like during the final exams, I do not use it to read that much. And one more thing is that I used to stay in hostel. So most of my friends used to explain from me. Like so that makes me revision for my study. Like
Yeah,
so this
you taught your friends.
yes,
Yes, that was
not one well, not one time. Like I used to taught,
teach.
I mean, for all the exams in the sense, for all the exams,
Yeah,
at least one
become
concept I used
expert
to
then.
taught.
Yeah, become expert.
Yeah, that's what. So during writing the exam, I do not use it to feel that, oh, I'm writing the exam. I used to think that, okay, I'm explaining to someone whatever I used to explain, I used to write that.
Yes.
So that's what. So most of the friends used to ask me that I used to fill a lot of papers, but I do not use it to do that. What I used to do is, like, I used to write the concept in detail, because I know that concept because I explained him yesterday itself.
Yes.
That's like that made me to get good marks in my academics, I can say.
Okay. Any memorable incident in BVRIT, please?
Memorable incident, I do not use it to have that fun at BVRIT, because like I use it to feel funny. If I use it to be funny, like what I use it to do is, if I am funny with someone, they use it to think, oh, like, are
Ajay,
you Ajay? Like I
Ajay would not
yeah.
be possible.
So yeah, but I used to be funny with few friends, like few
Yes.
friends in the sense, like I used to be very funny with my roommates, with my hostel mates, and used to be funny with during playing also. I used to play for like I till third year I used to play, but in fourth year I did not get that much time to play also. So, but till third year I used to play during evening times and made my body little flexible, and like it, yeah, like body health is important, right? So for that we need to do something. So I used to play, and during that time we used to have a lot of fun. And during fest also I used to participate in the sense, fest in the sense, I do not use it to do some play on the stage, but I use it to have some chill in between the chairs, that we will be while seeing, we use it to have some fun, that, oh, you see
Okay.
that, oh, you
I think
that.
you are not on stage. You didn't perform any cultural activities, it seems.
No, I did not. I'm little
What,
shy to perform on stages.
what was the reason? At least a song or a little dance step. Why did you come for culture?
Yeah, but like it needs a lot of practice,
Yes.
I say. I mean, yeah, it's type of, I don't think that I have that art. I mean, that art needs to be there for us, like,
Yeah.
so people will, like, God will be giving some good things, like, so
Some skill comes
I may, yeah,
some
I may good
comes
at, yes, so I may good at understanding the things, so I used to understand. So I may good at some teaching my friends, so I used to present over there. So our art, I don't think that our art needs to be presented for all the people at the stage. If if we present our art for the one person who are in needy, I guess we fulfill that art. I mean, I guess we made ourselves that we are an artist for that art.
Okay. What was your childhood dream indeed?
Yeah, basically my childhood dream was to become some type of IAS type of thing.
Okay. Why you
But
diverted? Why you diverted to this?
yeah, basically now also I have that dream. I did not convert it, but um, first thing is that we will be thinking about getting settled fast.
Yeah.
Say-
That's important.
Why means, like, in this competitive world, in the sense, in this competitive world, we need to settle fast, then settle ourselves first and settle our family first. then we can think of ourselves again. It's not that like our life is lot there, right? So that's the reason I just settle first now. Then I have that dream still, like I will be like preparing for that.
Surely, surely. Really, it's a very good idea indeed. Because
Yeah.
financially you must be stable and then you can take any kind of decisions.
Yes.
Okay, many of them are there like that. Okay. Anyhow, I hope
Yeah.
definitely you go for better life indeed because you are very workaholic. Okay. Let's come to the point here. Okay. Let's come to the personal needs. What is that? Do you have any love affair? How did you feel about love?
Love. I feel funny
Yeah.
because
Place any girl you love.
no, no,
In
I
student
mean,
life, in student life, it's
no,
common
like,
to have crush. Okay, crush with
yeah, but I did not have that. I'm very free. I mean, I will like I don't have that. I did
but
not
if
went in
you
that
thought
path.
of if she would be better in my life like that. Anytime
No, no, no.
did you think
Like I
that
did not think
it would be fine
like
for me?
no, like I used to be feel funny when I used to hear some stories on that. So like funny in the sense not that funny. Like I used to imagine that okay, like I used to imagine their bond, but I used to enjoy that bond. I mean bond in the sense okay, like let us think of 4 years of their bond. So let's say if they are good, okay, they will be good. Like if some disturbance happen, how they handles that. So
Okay.
I used to be think that. So that whole thinking do not made me to go in that bond. like like I used to be I'm not that interested
Then
towards that.
you didn't give a room in your life to a girl.
Oh, it's tough.
No, no, just for fun because being student, it will be there. Okay, I want
Yeah,
it will be fine.
no, no, like I did not have any
A crush, any crush.
like room in crash and all. Like I used to have some good friends. I
Yeah,
mean, I can say friends.
no, I know that.
Yeah, yeah. I used to have good friends, and I used to maintain what I need to be maintained.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. I can say. But at last, like I used to think like at last it will be type like it needs to be satisfied with our parents. So why we need to like I'm not that. I used to think like I'm not that mature to choose someone that she will be a part throughout my life.
Huh,
So I
part two of life. That's a part two of life. The thing is, in a student life, sometimes we feel about, okay, if she would be mine, it would be better life. What did you feel?
no like I do not have that.
Okay, then. Okay, very good. That's what I say. I like you also. You are very alcoholic and very sincere so that you achieve great things. Because, right, the package is not simple one to simple people. Okay, let's come to the point. Okay, how do you feel when you come to know that Amazon people selected you?
Yeah. So basically, like I did not finish the story, like finish of my BTech life. So it will be covered. I mean, it will be covering this thing also. So what happened? Like I will share you my third and fourth year life. So it is little interesting. So what happened was, so I'm in third year.
Yes.
My 3-2 exams are on. Like my 3-2 exams are running.
Okay.
So one I got, like before 3-2 exams we got two companies. One company is ADP. So like it was about 4 rounds. So in that 4 rounds, the second round is interview round. So what happened? He interviewed me for approximately 45 to 50 minutes
Okay.
total technically.
Hmm.
Like it is first interview for me. Even though whatever he used to ask me, I said. Then after that interview, I had an interview with an senior HR. Then again, I had an interaction with an HR. In that last round, I got rejected. I felt very bad on that
But how did you feel
because
then? How did you feel? What was your experience at the time? How did you feel at the
yeah,
time you were rejected?
yeah, yeah. At that time, like literally, I thought like I need to. At first, I thought like I'm not that good for the placements. I thought in that way. But what happened with like we will be sharing most of our experience with our parents. Like my mom used to say like, why you are feeling like, so you try to prepare much. Then what I did, I prepared much. Then on the next day itself, we had one more company called OpenText. In first round itself, I disqualified. I thought came to my mind that I'm not that good for my placement. So what I did was, I'm literally felt very bad, and I'm little depressed, I can say, because the first two companies went away. So like a lot of pressure on me, like I can say like a lot of pressure on me. Then what I did, during my 3 2 exams, I got an opportunity to get interviewed at Zoho, Chennai. It's in Chennai. So what happened? Today is one semester exam is there, and tomorrow there is one gap, and day after tomorrow there is one gap, and the next day there is one more exam. So I thought like, should I need to take this adventure, because I need to write the exam today, then I need to pack my bags to the Chennai, and tomorrow I need to attend the interview. Then again I need to return back and write the exam. So
Yes.
where I will be getting the time to prepare for the next exam. But let it be. Why I should not take that adventure? Then like I wrote the exam today, like I booked one bus, then I went off. Then the next whole day, the interview has happened. The result was positive.
Okay, very
Yeah,
good.
I mean, I selected
Hmm.
for the internship, not for the job, not for the placement. It's just an internship in the summer. After 3 2, we'll be having summer for 4. I mean, between 3 2 and 4 1, we'll be having summer gap, right? So in that summer gap, I will be interning over Joho Chennai. The next day, I prepared in bus. Like I prepared in the bus.
Continue,
Then
continue.
yeah, I came back and wrote an exam. The one of the funniest in the sense, I should not say funniest thing, the one of the best thing is that I got 10 by 10 in that semester too.
Okay.
Yeah. And then like I did intern in my summer, like in my summer. Then based on the performance on that internship, I will be getting an full-time opportunity. Yeah. So in that summer also I performed well. I got a full-time job in 3 2 itself. I mean the starting of 4 1. It's about 6.8 LPA. In Zoho Chennai, I got an opportunity to work.
Hmm.
Like it will be after 4 2 itself. In
Yeah.
my 4 1 itself, in my 4 1 itself, I got a job. Then what happened? Like people used to tell me that you got a job, you settle it. Why? I mean, why you are hurrying? You have some fun. So what I did? So instead of having that much fun, I used to attend the interviews offline.
Okay.
Then then what happened? I got an another opportunity to write exam in TCS. Like there will be exam called Code Vita. I cracked that and I got job in Code Vita also in TCS as a digital offer. It's around 7.2 LPA.
Okay.
Then like I got Mazda in that, getting more offers. Then what I did, I again did not get settled. Then I tried for Wipro. I got a job in Wipro also. It's around 3.5 LPA. Then I did not settle again till December. What happened? The Zoho people is calling me to do again the internship over there. The thing is, now I will tell you the interesting part, that Amazon question that you have asked. So what happened was,
Yeah.
tomorrow I need to go to Chennai. Tomorrow I need to go to Chennai. So tomorrow morning I have an Amazon exam, like written exam. So what I did, from my village, I went to I came to Hyderabad in the morning, like around 7 7:30. Then I attended the written exam of Amazon. Then I went to Chennai itself with the luggage.
Okay.
After 2 weeks that I went, after 2 weeks that I like after 2 weeks of that exam, I got a phone call that you have an interview at Amazon. Then I came back again in weekend. I interviewed and I got selected for the Amazon. So what after hearing that, right? So I have a dilemma that I need to, like, whether I need to choose an Zoho or I need to choose an Amazon. So like again I took an adventure, because in Amazon it's like we need to do an internship for 6 months. If they like the performance, then only they will convert as a full-time employee.
Yes.
But in Zoho, I already have an full-time opportunity. Like I was thinking, like if I join Amazon, if I don't perform well in 6 months, I will be losing that Zoho opportunity. So I thought like, why I should not take the risk again. So I left that Zoho. I rejected that. Then I came to the Amazon. After 6 months, it got converted. So this is what I say is, after listening that I got converted to Amazon, I feel happy. Like, oh, like, yeah, I said right. Last week, like after getting FT at Amazon, I thought of my childhood. So it's type of zigzag.
So yeah, the journey of your recruitment process was wonderful indeed. It looks like cinematic also sometimes. So here,
Yeah.
one student is there with us. I would like to ask one question to you.
I am very happy to share.
Yeah, Manidip, please, would you like to ask a question to him, please? Unmute your video, please. Manidip.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, carry on.
Hello, Mr. Ajay.
Hi.
Unmute your video.
How are you?
Video.
Sir, actually, I have a student from our college
Okay.
who is very curious to talk to Mr. Ajay.
Oh,
Is
So
there
he
online?
have 2 questions.
Is there online?
Yes, sir. He's there online. Yes, sir. He's there
Add him,
online.
add him and
Yes,
so
sir.
nice.
What's his name?
His name is Srikar, sir, from CSC. Srikar Samudrala from CSC.
Okay.
Oh,
Add him and ask him to ask him. Come on.
like I guess
Meanwhile,
they are
you can add.
connecting.
You can add.
I think, sir, you just allow him if you get any request.
Okay. Let him come. I'll add anyhow. Okay, Ajay, can you please tell me that, right? Over the teachers really inspired in your schooling, intermediate level, and BTech level.
Okay, inspiring you're asking, right?
Inspiring teachers at schooling level
Okay, teachers.
and BTech level.
So basically, like if we like teachers in a sense, I do not use to see teachers at human. Like I used to see teachers in everywhere, I can say. But specifically in my 10th class, I used to have a teacher called Ranga Reddy. He's from my school itself. He is actually a school principal. So I can say he inspired me. Like that ninth class I said, right?
Okay.
So with his teaching, I used to think and do the things. I can say that.
Okay.
So like similarly in my intermediate, I have few like a lot of teachers who used to inspire me to get into a good reputed college after my intermediate.
Okay.
Yeah. So in my BTech, I can say lot of teachers I have. Like I can say one of the teachers among my inspiring is like you also. Like after getting my job, I used to call to all the teachers. I
Yeah.
guess like
That
I
was,
called you, right? So
I told you
yeah,
when you called me, that was the gratitude of the student after getting into the right life also. When they remember, that is right attitude of the students.
yes, yes,
So at the beginning only I told you that here. Many students
yes,
go out, but only people are remembered. So among you that here in few students, Ajay is one of them, the best friend.
yes,
Over here we have speaker from our college. Speaker from our
yeah.
college would like to ask you one question. Please, speaker, unmute your audio and video.
Hello, sir. Hi, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Hi, Mr. Ajay.
Hi.
I'm actually grateful that I'm attending this meeting. First off, before asking the question, my name is Rico. I'm a sophomore second year student in your college in CSC department. I've participated in IBM Hackathon. I've got top 16 among 26,000. I'm one of the finalists I got in. And I'm passionate about computer science and machine learning department. Mr. Ajay, my question to you is, I basically have 5 questions. One of my main question to you is, if you were a sophomore second year student right now, what would be your advice to yourself in ways to improve yourself or in ways to improve your friends? What would be your one advice?
Okay, it's a good question. Like so basically most of the people used to fear, right? So fear of career, first thing, like fear of career, what I will be next, right? So my advice is like first think about your career, like career in the sense what you want to become. You will be having one thing, right? So if you want to be a like there will be a lot of students who wants to go for MS. There will be a lot of students who wants to do some software job, and there will be a lot of students who wants to do some business. Yeah. So what I can say is, apart from academics, what you are doing for that? Apart from academics that you are studying, what you are doing for that? Are you spending good time for that? That's the first thing that I can say. So daily you analyze yourself that you're doing anything for that. Like let's say I used to have a, I mean, in my second year, I don't know that much programming. Like I used to think like if I am good at academics, I will be cracking a lot of interviews. But it's not that true. So even though like if the being good at academics, it will not. I mean, I will not say it will be zero helpful, but I can say it will be helpful. But it's not that enough. So what I suggest is first think of what you will be doing after your BTech. Then are you doing anything? So what I did, as I said, I am not that good at programming. So I used to search for the online where I can grasp the things for my software. Like I used to have a thought in my second year that I need to be placed at some good company and start my career ahead as a software developer engineer. Yeah. So in my second year itself, what I did, I analyzed. Then I used to search for the things that will be helpful for me for the as a software developer engineer. So we had an opportunity to learn the data structures and algorithms uh, in third year through APT, but I got an opportunity to learn Python programming language through Mission R&D. Like you may heard about that. It's not there now, but through Mission R&D, I I know what I need to be learn to get into a good companies or what companies ask. So like what I advise is that so think what you need to be become after 4 years. Like spend some time and have a chart type of thing. Yeah, like I can say, like I will tell you, like it may be think like it may be for you it may be like okay he's telling some like different thing, but I can prove I will show you the proof also that I had a timetable. Like in that what I wrote is what interviews like what the companies ask during an interview. Like I pointed out approximately 15 points. Then daily I used to analyze that 15 points. What is my level for this point? What is my level for this point? Then I used to tick that. So like I can show you the timetable too. Like I can share you offline also. Like it will be no it will be like why I am saying that is like it will be helpful for you to if you are planning for the interviews.
Yeah,
That's what I
you moved. I think, Ajay, you moved very strategically where you want to be placed. You have complete strategy about
yes
life.
yes.
You want to tell that here there must be strategy to everyone to become one of the best personalities.
Not that, but like I'm saying like so these things will be asked during the interviews. I can say that. So if you try to be good in this, so you can be get selected to some good company.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you. That was,
I guess that answered your question, but I don't know whether it's helpful or not.
that absolutely did, and it
Manidip,
helped
would you like
me
to
as
ask
well.
any question? Yeah. Dikar, would you like to ask any question or Manidip would like to ask?
No, sir. Actually, I'm a little busy right now. Mr. Shrikar is very curious to talk to Mr. Ajay, so I have
Oh,
brought in.
Just one thing, like how do you know me?
Dikar,
Uh,
what do you know,
I,
Ajay?
I've known Ajay through one my CSC HOD sir, and Mandeep as
Okay.
well has told me about it.
Ooh,
And
like is Mandeep from IT?
no, he's from ECE.
Okay, how Mandeep know about me? Like
Yeah,
I just I'm little curious about how I know.
yeah, I told him.
Okay.
I told you.
And my second question to you, Mr. Ajay. First of all, the first question answered all the doubts. My second question is, uh, if you were able to change something in the curriculum right now, I'm sorry, sir, if I could ask this question or not. If you were able to change the curriculum of CSC pattern of first year doing data structures and in second semester doing Java and different types of courses around there, would you change it, and how would you change it?
It's I can say, like, as I know what we do it industry, so basically, I would be like to change, because the things that we learn in academics, yeah, those are helpful during doing the things in industry too. But there will be some I mean, some useless stuff, I can say. Those will not be useless stuff in a sense, like, I don't like it's like, we cannot change that at btech level. Like, basically we need to change it from the childhood itself. Like, so if we think in that way, so, but the society have a opinion that each and everyone needs to be aware of each and everything. That's the reason they will be including all the things in our academics. So I do accept with that. So, based on the, like, I don't say we need to change a lot, but we can change few things, not the whole thing. Few things in the sense that is that very useless, we can remove those things. So yeah, I suggest to change, but not few things, because each and everyone needs to be aware of few things. Like, we need to learn engineering graphics in the sense we will be having engineering drawing, right, in our first year. So we will be thinking why we need to learn engineering drawing for our first for a CSC student, why we need that. But it is needed, because, like, let's say you have a plan to construct a building for yourself. Like, what happens is, in this world, if we have a lot of money, we will be thinking is, we will be approaching a civil engineer who is a good civil engineer. So we will think, like, if they will give us some design, like a full-fledged design, if you do not understand what is that full-fledged design, so they will easily cheat us. Like, let's say, if you do not learn, you have an ed, some mechanical lab is there where we will be doing some carpentry, and few things are there, right? So let's say one bulb got damaged at your house. Okay, so you don't know how to repair that. So we will be calling a, a plumber or someone who does that electrician work. He did that, and let's say he asked 1,000 rupees for that. If you know how to fix that, if you know how to fix that, you can fix that, right? Even though it's a small thing, you are approaching some person and paying you more in the sense. So he's asking you more money because you don't know the basics of that. So
Yes.
I say in that way, so you need to know basics of, that's the strategy the government have, I guess. Like, I feel in that way. So I don't suggest to change the whole thing. Like, I suggest you to change a few things in the sense, yeah, like, let's say, the same engineering physics that we will be studying in our intermediate will be in the most of the concepts are there in the engineering physics too. So the redundant concepts are there, right? So if we remove that redundant concepts and introduce new concepts that are very useful now, that will be helpful for us.
Ajay, let's
So
come to the point. Let me come to the point. So, if you want to change English and ELCS lab classes or English lab classes, what would you want to be changed?
no, I
Yeah,
don't say,
that was
like,
my question.
yeah, no, we should
That
not
was
we,
the approach.
yeah, no, we should not change
Not
ELCS.
not restricted to ELCS or English.
If you answer.
My approach was to what kind of subjects would you like to add? So we have C programming. We
Yeah.
have
Okay.
Speaker, just a minute. Please.
so
So I asked the question that here, if he wants to change or any kind of right modulation of syllabus of English, what you want to listen from the teacher?
No, basically English is very fine, I guess. Like, ELCS is very much helpful, I can say. Like, if someone utilizes that, basically after intermediate, the world is after intermediate will be coming to the engineering, right? So most of the students who are come from the villages, right? So they will be having a shy to speak on in front of lot of people. So I don't say we need to change that. I say that we need to add more.
Yeah.
Like,
Would you like to add that flavor to English labs? English labs,
yeah.
we second, first year,
So
year also. What would you like
basically,
to add?
I feel like when it comes to English, and the labs that are associated with the English are correct in BTech. Like, we will be having a ACSR, advanced communication skills lab in second year or third year, I guess.
Audience.
So those labs, those labs are very much good at right places. So I don't think that we need to change LCS or ACS. But what I will be telling is that if it, like, it depends on the people. Like, a lot of stuff we can learn in the English labs that we have in our BTech. If one utilizes that much, it's more than enough, I can say. Because, like, I see, like, in during HR rounds of when companies interviews us, during HR rounds we'll be having, right? So I see, like, most of the English that we learned will be helpful during that HR round. So I don't think that we need to change that. Like,
That's good. Shrikar,
that's
would you
all.
like to ask any question to Ajay? Shrikar.
Yeah, you are asking. Yeah, you are asking, like, what subjects needs to be introduced more, right?
Yes.
Yes. That was the main question, and I have another question later.
Yeah. So basically, like, the time that we have is little. That's the reason I don't think that they are introducing the subjects. Because, like, let's say in our fourth year we have a subject called machine learning. Most of the students will take that as little light in the sense, little not that um, serious. Because they will be prepare, like, at that time they will be preparing for the interviews, and at that time they will be their career. So what I suggest is that the subjects are designed, the subjects are already designed, but the thing is, the time that they are studying is not good. So if we move that
Is the
time, like,
timeline
the,
at according
yeah,
to students' interest or
Right place,
students'
right
capability?
subject, and right education is required. Right place, right time, right education is
yes,
required.
Right
yes,
time.
yes, yeah, that's what I felt. But that we can manage, because we, in this competitive world, we cannot hide anything.
True.
I say, right, like, I see, right, at the fifth or sixth standard student know about some artificial intelligence because of the technology that has evolved. So I don't think, like, okay, in fourth year I will be studying machine learning, so I do not need to learn machine learning in first year. So the people are that good enough to estimate the things and learn. So that's the reason I guess the education is not that changing, because we see the gems coming in first year and second year itself, right? So if we have effect of because of this, they will be changing, but the effect is not that is there. So, like, that's what I feel.
Wonderful. Great. I'm sorry, sir. Could I ask one last question, if it's all right?
Yeah, please carry on, Shrikar. Shrikar, can I know that which year you are now? Second year?
I just I'm a batch 2019 to 23, sir. Just got into second year, sophomore
Okay,
CSC.
you are in second year now.
Yes, sir.
Branch?
CSC, sir.
Yes.
CSU. Okay, right.
Yeah.
Carry on.
Mr. Ajay, this is one last question to you: is if there was a developers club, something like a Vishnu Developers Club, if there will be a club introduced into our college for students who are enthusiastic about technology, and students not restricted to any years, not restricted to any branches, developers club, in order to encourage students to make new products, what were the suggestions you would give in order to make a club very successful like that? And would you encourage such clubs, such that students in their from starting itself, from second year or from first year itself, participating in these clubs, so that from at the time they go to interviews, at the time they attend internships, would those kind of clubs be helpful for them, useful for them to outstand people from the normal group?
Yeah. So basically, it's like, we used to have thoughts to start clubs. But the thing is, what happens is, the proper leadership was not there. So proper leaders are very much essential to move an organization. Like, the proper teamwork needs to be there. Like if you watch movies like in Telugu, like, there is one movie called VIP, I guess. So without that proper leader, Dhanush, that VIP club will not be that effective, and right. So what I suggest is that, yeah, it's like it's a direct question that clubs obviously helps us, but the thing is we need to have a proper leadership thing, type of thing, like um, uh, because like there will be a lot of struggles, like what we need to be like, we need to be like the leader who is opting, like let's say you are a leader, so you need to dedicate a lot of time in managing the things. So if that proper leader is there, then surely that will get worked out. So my suggestion is that whoever is starting that, right,
Ajay,
the leader who is starting is that, right? Yeah, yes sir.
Ajay, I would like to ask, because leadership has
Yes,
come, right?
yes.
What are the leadership qualities to the students and after becoming professionals? Leadership qualities for the
Yeah,
students and the professionals.
Yes, from
first
beginning to
thing is
end.
like, first thing
I
is
mean,
that
yeah, yeah.
yeah, first thing is that like first principle that we need to have is being independent. So like, like that spoon feeding will not be there, so we'll be like getting lot of new things that we need to learn. So first thing is that they need to be adopt for that being independent and learn. That's the first thing that I see in their campus life. Most of the friends will be having who will be helping for the concepts to learn, right? But each and everyone will be an mostly will be an independent person. I don't say will be there. Let's say I wrote an program that divides two numbers. Let's say I did not handle that b is not equal to 0. Like let's say I did not handle that case. So what happens at that time is the system that we developed will be evaluating that as an infinity. At that time the system will be in an unstable state. So those type of runtime things also we need to be think when we are doing programs in an industry. So those things we will not be thinking that much in our campus. So that's what I mean. So that being independency and following a good software development technology or methodology to achieve the things is important when we go to the software. I mean software in the sense when we move ahead from the campus, not only the software. Like let's say if you are a civil engineer, at that time also you need to think that okay, if I design in that way, what is that stress or strain module that is having? Like let's say we need to think that okay, the land is over here. Like we need to approximately think about the society in the sense, like we need to be look approximately some 100 or 200 kilometers from that place that we are constructing.
Exactly.
Because let's say there is that we are building some, so those things like that deep diving is very much needed when we move from campus to industry, not in software, like in
Correct.
any field.
Wonderful. Great. Thank
Okay.
you, Mr. Aji, for
Okay,
those
Trigger, thank you very
questions
much.
you have clarified.
Trigger, would you
Yes.
like to ask to
Thank
any
you, sir.
question or right? Shall I continue?
You continue, sir.
Yeah.
Could I stay in the meeting?
Okay, Ajay, let's come
Yes
to the
sir.
general conversation. Like, okay,
Yes,
all right.
yes, yes,
Really,
yes,
very good.
like it's too technical, I guess.
Yeah, Trigger joined with us and asking very good questions, which are very related to all the students today. What the doubts have. Of course, this interview is going to give answers to all the students. The questions which are asked by Trigger and given by Mr. Rajay Amazon. Amazing Amazon, right? And amazing Ajay, A. Amazon A and
Okay.
Ajay is A. So both are there. Anyhow, definitely you are going to rock. Let us come to the point. If you were not, if you are not an engineer, what you would be?
A normal person, like a normal independent person, I can say. That a normal independent person, not just a independent, that gets some respect from society.
Okay, what do you think of?
And
What do you think
and
of the youth today? Why youth?
what do you think of?
Why youth not attracting towards politics, just only attracting towards MS and software engineering and so IAS, IPS? Why the youth not attracting towards politics?
Uh, I I'm not that
Your opinion.
big enough to answer that, because like uh, I don't see that lot of, like I don't see that all the people, all the students are not getting into the politics. Few are getting into the politics. So what's the problem with our society is that the DNA, that the hereditary is coming, like hereditary in the sense, okay, my father is very much uh, do good business, so I too like to go in that field. So my father is very much good in being an star at movies and all, so I want to be going into that film industry. So those type of things are making students, I guess. But yeah, the thing is, we need good leaders to survive. So if we move to the politics, yeah, like it will be helpful, but I don't think, I'm not that good
Yeah,
to
politics.
think that much.
Politics are not your cup of tea.
Yeah.
They are not your cup of tea. It's
Yes, yes.
somebody's cup of tea. Am I right?
Not that. Yeah.
It's not your cup of tea. Politics not your cup of tea.
I mean, I should not say that, but I used to have uh, a type of things that I can do good to society, but not to go into politics. I just want to do good to society without involving in my name. I don't want to. So I don't say that it's type of politics, but I can, like I would like to do something.
Exactly, exactly. Okay. Very good. So it's time to wind up. Of course, any more should I ask the questions like, okay, what would you suggest the books to the youth today? Any books did you read?
Oh, yes, sir. So actually, I need to take suggestions from you, because like I see that Srikar is good at communication, but I used to feel sometimes that I am not that good at communication. So I need to focus on that from now on. So like I need to take suggestions from you, but
Yeah, but
like I'm
it's
I'm
that
very
just to read.
yeah, like most of, like what happens is that what happened was most of my time went on few, like in my fourth year I did not get any time to read anything. Like I was reading some technical stuff. In my second and third also I used to uh, spend a lot of time on with computer, but I did not use it to think about communication. The only place that I communicate in English is during my English labs. So like at that time I used to say whatever, like whatever blah, I used to think in that way. Like okay, whether I'm speaking right, whether I'm not speaking right, I do not use it to think in that way. So whatever I used to get from my mind, I used to think. I mean, I used to speak during that English lab. So I
That
can say that.
was the
So
courage you have.
yes, sir.
That was the courage you have at the time, indeed. Even
Yeah. Yes.
from remote background also you came out of that and okay became fluent, somewhat better. Okay, good actually, good at English now. Right, because really it's your efforts, right? And any pathfinding of things like would you like to give any pathfinding of things to the youth? Pathfinding.
I did not get, sir. Like actually,
Any pathfinding
voice
would you
went
like
off.
to show? Would you like to show any path to reach a success?
Okay.
Like to show any
One thing
path.
is, yeah, like one thing is that you should not settle fast. Settle fast in the sense, like until and unless you are satisfied with your settlement, you should not settle. What I mean to with that is, so let's say you are settled with a company with less package. So at that time, what happens is that after joining that company, you will be thinking that, oh, my package is that less. I need to do work again and I need to get into another company. So that settling too fast is not that good. So like what I mean to say is, like let's say if I settle with Zoho, I will not be getting TCS. If I settle with TCS, I will not be getting some different company. If I settle with that, I will not be getting a different company. So until and unless you are not satisfied with your settlement, don't rest yourself. Work.
That is it. That is it. So person has to go on working continuously. One has to go on working
Not
continuously.
that. I mean, like until you are little satisfied with like you need to work until you are satisfied with that settlement.
Okay, right. Very good. So here, Manideep would like to speak here. Manideep,
Sir, yes, sir.
yeah, please. You want to say something to Ajay? Shall we conclude, Manideep? Yeah, very good.
Sir, we can conclude. So actually, we heard a lot of talk about Mr. Ajay in our campus. We received some, yeah, we received messages from our HOD, head of the departments, we really congratulate and appreciate Mr. Ajay for achieving such a thing. So in that way, we all students came to know about you.
Yeah, but
And it,
but it's not that big achievement, I can say. But the thing is, do some
you
good.
have said you have said something kind of inspiration for us all at this point. Okay, sir. If it's okay, we can conclude, sir.
Yeah, you can go on. Proceed.
Okay.
Manideep.
So, Mr. Yes, sir. So we really thank you, Mr. Ajay, for giving your precious time for us and giving us this interview.
Like basically, like I'm little like basically after seeing that message from Hitler so that I need to give some interview for interview. What I thought, like I'm not that big person to give an interview, but I think like the few words that I gave may helpful for one or the other who watched the this video or something, like the who watched the thing. Like that's what I felt, and spent good time. Like actually I'm very happy now that something like I shared my life, I shared my life experience with you all. So like I'm very happy now. Like I am very happy to spend time with you.
This session will be really helpful for many students, I think. Definitely, it will be.
Yeah.
And thank you, sir. Thank you, Bitla Srinivasulu, sir, for arranging this session. And Mr. Srikar, who joined in the middle, actually he contacted me. He wanted to talk to Mr. Ajay. He was very curious to know about Mr. Ajay. So thank you, sir, for giving opportunity to even Srikar to ask a few questions.
Yes, sir. And
Yes,
I
Trigger.
hope to be
Mandeep
Ajay.
too. And Ajay, I wish you all the best for your future endeavors, whatever are there. Definitely, you are going to reach the position where you imagine yourself, because at the beginning only, it's a blockbuster movie. Of course, the beginning itself is a blockbuster movie. That definitely you will get many hits in your life, right? So that I hope you reach 100 movies, like reaching the CEO position of Amazon with your efforts, definitely. Let us meet and keep in touch with us, so that your words definitely will encourage all the students also. Thank you so much, Ajay, Amazon, and Manideep. Really, your efforts are
I think
appreciable. And Srikar, your questions are fantastic because they are very apt to your students.
like one thing I can say that like you can contact me like whenever you have little difficulty. Like I may help you. Like I may help you in the sense like if I can help you, I will be definitely helping you.
That
Yeah,
would be
message for students.
absolutely.
Message for students, not to me. Is it, Ajay?
Yeah, that's what it's for students. Yeah, that's what.
Yes, yes. Friends are always with you, definitely. And you must remember all our BVRIT students to go forward. And if possible, you can recruit our BVRIT students in your company in future. If possible, if you are in better position to take all the students into that, you come for on campus to our college and take these secondary students by the time you are in better position, we feel definitely. Thank you very much for having all you people here really see my students, two of my students and one is speaker. Right, I come to know speaker through Manideep. A fantastic session today. Let us have the same combination with all of you. Manideep, thank you so much for your efforts. Really good. Right. Let's meet again. Thank you. Ajay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Signing off.
Bye, sir. Bye all.
Thank you, Mr. Ajay. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you.